Hiya guys again, and today I'll be showing you bakugan and some gate cards and ability cards. Let me get them out. Yeah, they're going everywhere. I'll get ability card and put them out. Gate card, sorry. This is Subterra Wormquake, like 2 of them. He's 470 Gs, he's 400 Gs. Hammer Golem, 480 Gs, Subterra 1. Pyrus Hydronoid. Don't know what G it is because it hasn't been printed onto it. Can't find it. Darkest Warriors, 580 Gs, my best one. Ventus Serpenoid, 330 Gs. Ventus Excedra, 490 Gs. Pyrus Frost, 310 Gs. Chaos Luminous, 440 Gs. Aquas Diablo, 500 Gs. Chaos Diablo, 480 Gs. Ventus whoever, I don't know, 560 Gs. And Aquas Wormquake, 410 Gs. Now I'm gonna roll them now onto it. This is how they work. Well, the rules are each person gets, let me get random ones, gets 3 gate cards, which are the metal ones, which these pop onto from backling. 3 ability cards, which that's gate cards. Right. 3 ability cards. You use these cards like to help the bakugan like get more Gs to defeat the opponent. And 3 bakugans. Yeah. Uh-huh. 3 of these. The aim of the game is to get to win 3 rounds. Yeah, and the youngest player goes first. I'll show you how they work. Basically, let's just say the other opponent puts the cards like, you start like that, and you just roll your bakugan onto it. And you can only roll it once. Like if I roll it, misses, then it's their turn to roll it on. If they miss, you roll, you miss, and so on until someone finally gets it on, like me, and the opponent. And next, as you battle, turn the card over. Oh, it's Sandstorm, and since Warriors it's 580, and on here this is the colour of your attribute: Pyrus, Aqua, Subterra, Chaos, Darkest, and Ventus. This is Darkest, so I'll add on 20, which will give him 600, and this is 440, and he's Hail, so I'll add on 50, and he's 490, and he's 600, so he wins by 120 Gs. And then you put that off to the side with their bakugan, and you already, actually you have to win 2 times. It's the person who gets 2 gate cards. Yeah, left. And I'll show you like my ability cards. Show you all my ability cards. Okay, starting off. There's different colour ones. There's the blue, greyish, black cards, which, let me read the instructions here. The blue, let's just call it a grey card, which, although, but this, on here, it says a blue card. Yeah, wherever it went, let's see. Right, sorry guys. A blue card, no, I can't find anything. Should be on here, somewhere. Yeah, here. It says, you can't read that, but on here, somewhere, it says, no, here, sorry. Each player needs 3 bakugan, 3 gate cards, 1 of each colour. The gate cards are heavier than the others, and make the bakugan open. And 3 ability cards, 1 of each colour. So that means gate cards have 1 of each colour as well, I think. I'll see. But first I'll show you my ability cards. In the blue team, there are Home Advantage. Your bakugan gains G power based on its attribute, which is Aquas and Subterra. Colour shift. Colour shift, you change colour. Special boost, you boost somehow. G power bump. You gain 60 depending on if you're Aquas, Chaos or Ventus. G power boost bonus. It's the same thing as bump but different name. Aquas, Darkest and Ventus. Perfect game. If you're Ventus, you can just place it on. Unexpected guess, I don't know. Go for perfect. If you miss, roll 2 more times. Stark, I don't know. Reroll is reroll. Try again is try again. Aquas 2, don't know. You add on 200 and 100, 100. Copycat, you copy the attack. Attack to move that bakugan to another gate card. And that's all to my reviews, I think. Wait. Yeah, and please rate, subscribe and comment. I'm quite bored right now because none of you are commenting, so I don't know like what I should do. And next time I'll be showing you Disney pullback cards. Whee! That's fun. Bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Yeah. All that good things. Yeah. Bye.